Hello everyone! Good morning! Happy Monday! Hello everyone! Good morning, good morning! How are you guys? How was your weekend? Hello guys! So it's Monday, I feel so exhausted already. So guys, first I would like to start with Ninja Trader Arena Cup. So I'm going to host another Ninja Trader Arena Cup on October 20th. But guys, since it's limited spots, I highly recommend to join right now, and prizes is going to be like way better than it was last time. So this means we are going to have 3 rounds, and 4 round is going to be a final round, so where winner will be able to win 100k cash for the first place. So guys, for each round we are going to have prizes as well. So first place is going to win 8k, second place is going to be 2k, and third place is going to be 1k. And we are going to have these 3 rounds with same prizes. 4 round is going to be a final round where a winner is going to win 100k cash. Second place will win 25k cash, and third place is going to win 10k cash. Free to join guys, limited spots. Once again, see pinned message in the chat. Highly recommend to join. I joined personally this morning as well, going to participate because we can trade gold there. So guys, click the pin message in the chat. Highly recommend to join right now because limited spots. So it's your chance to show how good you are. Full port, up to 10 micros only. Impossible to full port this, up to 10 micros. That's it. You can trade micro NQ, micro ES, micro gold, micro CL, and Euro futures. That's it. Up to 10 micros. You cannot trade mini there. So it's going to be fair game, guys. So guys, once again, see pinned message in the chat to participate. You haven't seen my draw. Are you serious? Please guys, fill the form right now, not form, just sign up right now because limited spots. So if not today, probably tomorrow is going to be like gone already. So they will provide free data for you guys, don't worry about this, just sign up. You didn't get your account. I believe I sent everything, but I'm going to check today again. Take profit trade accounts sent. Everything done. Everything sent. If you participated before, just log in with your previous email and password. If you participated before, once again. How to use NinjaTrader platform. You cannot believe me, but I have video about this on my YouTube channel. 1 second, I'm going to send you link, guys. But once again, everything is on my YouTube, and all links are just in pin message. Check pin message in the chat and sign up. So how to use NinjaTrader before you want to participate in this Arena Cup. Here's the link. I don't know all emails with Take Profit Trader sent to email that you provided me. Check again, please. On gold, I'm watching, guys, a test of hourly order block right now. Not maybe right now, but today 35.4. That's my key area. So I would like to see this drop to 39. Actually, I'm looking for this flower fair value gap. But inside this flower fair value gap, we have hourly order block, which I'm watching right now. Let me make my text bigger, I guess, like this. It's going to be easier for you to see numbers. Okay, I will check for you guys, but I believe take profit trader accounts all sent. But once again, I will check for you after Steam. From Pakistan, probably Pakistan not allowed. It's not my cap, so I'm going to participant as well as you're going to participant. So on oil, not yet. I was checking oil this morning, like enough and a like 0 to hero. All right. Well, guys, watching right now, once again, not right now, but for today, would like to see move down to take this 4-hour fair value gap. Preferable to enter this hourly order block. Right below hourly order block, we have Asia low, but right now, once again, watching this area. Basically, between top of this 4-hour fair value gap and hourly order block. So I included 2 4-hour fair value gaps in case you want to ask me. One small one and another big one. You taped it, exact move. Yeah, yesterday Asia was pretty solid. I got 11 points in Asia. Can I say like I'm done for the day? Look at this move. I got like solid move, long overnight, like overnight Asia kill zone. Right now, gold quite choppy, I would say. It's a bit annoying, but it is what it is. So let's see if you are going to get any setups today. I hope so. But also I'm going to stream PM session on TradingView TV where I will trade ES. Did you see? I didn't check Discord messages today yet. I will check. So for this AM session, took nothing. Watching. Do you have a link for TradingView Steam? Yes, I'm watching for setups as well as you watching for setups, guys. Let's see if you are going to get something for TradingView TV. Of course, I'm going to send you link. I'm going to join there at 12:30 p.m. I trade ES only there since I'm not friends with NQ anymore. But yeah, I found ES like quite easy to read recently during PM session. How many minutes is those 5 can? I don't think I got your question. I understand your question. Honestly, I'm so sorry. Can you please rephrase for me? So once again, we're stuck between Asia low and a London high. Overall, obviously, I'm bullish simply because we're trading at all-time highs. Hard to be bearish at this point. Want to look for longs from 4-hour fair value gap because I feel like right now we're at the middle of nowhere. I can be wrong, just I see this like at the middle of nowhere. Well, guys, let's see what we can get today. I believe I sent all accounts, but guys, it takes time with Take Profit Trader up to 5-7 days to receive accounts normally because Take Profit Trader sends this accounts, not me. For example, with TradingView, all I need just send coupon code because I have these codes for you, but with take profit traders, they need to check all info before. That's why it takes up to 5-7 days. So guys, wait. Some accounts fast, some accounts takes a bit more time. I'm so sorry about this. High time frame candles by FADI, exactly. ICT high time frame candles by FADI. See a link in the description. Scroll all the way down. I have links for each indicator. Do we have any giveaways today? Not on Monday, but on Tuesday. Yeah, sometimes it takes like a couple of hours, sometimes it takes a couple of days, so wait for email. Does the strategy works on oil? Yes, of course. With trade. Okay, wait for this, guys. Give me some time. Well, let's see if you're going to get any trades today, because once again, I only took one trade in Asia and nothing else. As you can see so far, got quite tricky, pretty much strange so far. We have our fair value gap lower, which I don't mind to see if I want to look for longs. But once again, no rush. I will try to stay away from predicting where market will go. We'll just try to act accordingly. Okay. 3-minute chart, micro gold. Here's just gold, just to compare order blocks. Double sweep. Watch my last video about this strategy. I explained what double sweep and triple sweep means. What is your target on long? I would like to see lower, just personally. I would like to see lower down to at least 39.47, like at least. Where we can go, I don't know, but we will see. I'm just a bit more bearish right now. Sorry, guys. Update on NQ. Guys, what is your bias on NQ and ES? Would like to ask you first. You know, like, remember we discussed this on Friday? We wanted to see, like, we highlighted this before, like, 11 a.m. We wanted to see drop to hourly fair value gaps and long to 378. So, I believe we have room to go lower. Highlight level on your chart, 25,378. It's four standard deviation. That's like my final TP. I'm not in this long, obviously. I could like actually swing this, but I'm not like on my funded accounts. But once again, flat. Once again, since we got solid reaction from this hourly fair value gap, I'm looking for price to at least offer an attempt to continue going higher to 378, which is my like top level for now. But once again, we got just pretty much straight move up since 3 a.m. So basically since London kill zone. And the retracement, like, okay. Some people, I discussed bias this morning with my friends. Some people want to see monthly open retest. So basically drop to 843. Just for now, it's kind of hard to believe in it. Just for now. So we will see, guys. I feel like since we traded at all-time highs, I'm overall bullish. We created new all-time high. We have SMTs, yes, at this specific second, minute, hour. But once again, for standard deviation, still valid, because consider projections idea, standard deviation projections idea, what we want to see. From 2 and 2.5, we want to see drop to 1 and 1.5. Inside 1 and 1.5, we want to see a fair value gap. We got fair value gap. Normally, right after this, we should see inversion fair value gap and straight move up to fourth standard deviation. We got inversion, forward standard deviation. What's wrong, Lumi? What's wrong? Nothing wrong. Like, validates idea still. I don't, just at this specific second, I only see SMT and nothing else. What validates shorts? I don't know yet. Maybe something validates, I don't know. But I don't know yet about shorts. Of course, everything can change. We can see like shift in structure to downside. Let's drop to monthly open at this point. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. Good idea. But right now, no. Not really. Not really. So guys, who's trying to short right now? Where is your TP? Share with me. What is your target on shorts? Like monthly open as well? Or London low? Or, I don't know, like Friday low? What? Tell me. Weekly open. All right. Got it. Pretty much New York midnight. Not New York midnight open. Friday low. All right. Come on, really. Like, no bias, right? Some people have no bias, which understandable, I would say. Guys, if you just joined, I would like to participate in Ninja Trader Arena Cup. So highly recommend to join right now because we have limited spots there. So just take your seat, guys. So we are going to have 4 rounds. 3 rounds is going to be just regular ones. We are going to fight for 8K. So it's going to be 1 day competition. Round 1, you're going to, if you're going to be winner, you're going to win 8K. Let me see. Second place we win 2K. Third place we will win 1K. Then another round and another round. Fourth round is going to be a final round where winner is going to win 100K cash. Second place will win 25K cash, and third place will win 10K cash. So we are going to trade Micro NQ, Micro Gold, Micro ES, Micro CL, and Euro futures. So sign up right now. So pinned message in the chat. Please do this right now, simply because take your seat. I did this this morning, so highly recommend to participate. Free to enter. It's going to be sim environment, guys. Ninja Trader will provide all data to you. Just sign up. That's it. Do this right now, simply because limited spots, guys, for first round. Then they're going to close first round, and you need to wait for second round. Please sign up right now if you want to participate. I personally want to participate. I'm going to try to win. I know, like, you know, I don't have like lots of time to trade as other people, but I will do my best to participate. All right. Cash. Yeah. Join right now, please. They are going to fight together. By the way, guys, I'm going to stream my trades. You don't need to copy them because I don't take lots of trades, but I'm going to stream my trades. I need to stream my trades. I'm going to try to trade gold. It's going to be 1 day competition, so good time to practice your knowledge and so on. All right. Join right now because of my country. Oh yeah, some country restricted, unfortunately. But join right now. Do you smoke? No, never ever tried in my life. Never ever tried in my life. When I have question about my model, like when I'm struggling to understand, answer when I'm struggling to understand the bias. When it's inside consolidation, like right now, I mean, like, makes sense to drop, but at the same time, makes sense to pump as well. Yes, I sent email. Yes, guys. I just scheduled to send email. Obviously, I slept. Yeah, you got my email. I did all info about this competition. What's the best time to trade gold? I have video about this in my YouTube channel. Just last video, guys. Watch this. Yeah, right now just consolidation. Hard to understand. I don't mind to see lower, guys, personally. Price really struggling with move lower just right now. So I cannot say for sure what I would like to see because price is quite choppy yet. So yeah, a bit choppy right now. I don't know where market is going. What's the difference between them? Gold is futures, another one is forex. That's pretty much it. That's all difference that we have. Have you been buying physical gold? No, never. I don't have long-term positions as well. Just like intraday trading, that's pretty much it. Hello, Chris. Hello, hello. Until I'm back. All right. No problem. So guys, I'm watching for low personally on gold lower first to this hourly order block. That's what I would like to see. I'm not quite sure if you can get this, but I don't mind. What do you think about move lower first? I'm just asking, interesting to see your opinion. Do you think gold can drop to 39.25? Yes or no? I'm just asking. Market is going to open in 4 minutes. I'm looking for just personally lower. But it doesn't mean like I'm extremely bearish. No, not at all. Not at all. 1 second. Let's drink some water, which I cannot open. Want to drink some water, cannot even open it. Okay. 1 second. We'll ask my husband to help. And here we go. Husband is useful for something. All right. So it's a bit choppy right now, but on gold I'm watching guys lower personally. I would say I'm going to highlight the area between like top of this fair value gap and hourly order block. I will call this like target area. I know. Maybe. Once again, it does not mean like I'm bearish. I'm just trying to see where market can go for potential long. Older pet need help. This morning I took nothing, fortunately. Like nothing interesting is going on market right now. Do you have music on? Yes, I do have this. Don't worry. I mean, age low possible. I'm just trying to find conservative levels, first levels where we can get reaction. If it's going to fail to offer like smart money reversal for us, obviously we can go lower. All I need just slightly lower first. I was worried. My bad. Exact symbol. Absolutely I can. What about this? Is it better? Over here. Guys, who can tell me steps for smart money reversal? We have a question. Who knows the answer? Who can tell us steps for smart money reversal? Have you ever tried trading Cooper? Never ever in my life. Any steps, guys, for smart money reversal? Who can help us with this? Just overall, like not based on 30 minutes, just overall idea. Height from level. SMT divergence, I would say optional. Height from level, change in the state of delivery, market structure shift. Or height from level, change in the state of delivery, and inversion fair value gap. If you have these steps, it's smart money reversal. Hope it helps. Oops. Let's see if it's going to drop to my target area. Oh, you're very welcome. We're happy to be helpful, guys. For you guys. So one more test of New York midnight open so far. That's pretty much it. That's all we have. Target area still remains my point of interest. So target area is area between top of our fair value gap, small one there, and our order block. I would like to see it dropping there. That's it. That's the plan. We need to see drop. I will not long this 100% as long as we're above this area. Like, I don't see any reason to long right now. We're inside consolidation. Let's break below consolidation low. It will offer some structure for us. We can long this. Otherwise, what's the point to long this? I don't see any. What about you guys? Do you trade London? No, I sleep. I trade Asia. So once again, watching this area, of course, in my perfect world, would like to see test of hourly order block, as well as 30-minute order block, and that's pretty much it, I believe. Also, we have 3-minute not untapped, flat candle, right at 39.35.4. So let's see if we get this drop. That's all I'm watching right now. What about the trade here? I have no idea about trade idea, honestly. Like, break below New York midnight open, closure, short. Like, yeah, let's say it's going to close below New York midnight open, some shorts to aim for preferably 39.35, but at least 39.41, so basically it's going to be 50% of this target area. Where's middle line? Like, yeah, 41.4. Let's see if it's going to drop, guys, for us. If not, then that's totally fine. I mean, like, there's no longs for me at this area at all. Like, longs not possible for me, I would say. I'm not going to force trades if I see like I would like to be bullish inside this area or slightly lower, but not right now. Like, current area for longs, just for me personally, does not make any sense. I got perfect trade in Asia for 11 points. Idea was potential 30-minute sweep that was offered at 4:30 p.m. So I was trading continuation 6 p.m. Obviously, it's hard to hold like enter the trade at 4:30 p.m. and wait for Sunday. So I was trading continuation. In order to trade continuation, I was waiting for 3-minute OB after 6 p.m. and I entered the trade. That was easy logic, like pretty much straightforward. It's gold futures, talking about NQ. Overall, I don't mind to see slightly lower for retracement, but I believe I'm bullish. Like overall bullish to aim for 378. But idea is if hourly candle, and that's important to say, if hourly candle is going to close below 128.50, I will look for short only. That's the logic. Watching move lower on gold. Like this. Once again, I will not long inside this area. This area for me personally does not make any sense. Yeah, this is how I see this so far. It's gold futures, guys. Once again, it's not NQ. 39.24 also works. Everything lower works. And I love it. You don't trade an all-time high. This is your loss is too late. Like, I'm done with trading at all-time high with NQ like 3 months ago. It's just hard, in my opinion. I'm not in trade, like nothing to trade here. I'm just trying to understand where we can go. Right now, inside consolidation, I wouldn't like risk right now to trade here. I mean, like at the middle of nowhere. But what makes sense to me is just drop. I'm not sure from what area. I don't see like, if I want to short, I will show you guys. I see like short setup here. Let's trade this. But for now, I don't see any shorts yet. Like, let's wait. I said I would like to see lower to look for long. I call this target area once again. Longs from here, I will stay away from longs from here. Does not make any sense to long here. Personally, for me. Oops. Good morning, good morning. I'm going to just wait. Like, no rush. We inside consolidation right now, pretty much since New York midnight open. It's consolidation. Nothing is going on so far. That's why I'm not in a rush to take trades. I'm okay to wait. Let's check silver. Silver bullish. All right. NQ. I'm bullish on NQ as well, as long above 128. Like, no rush. I'm going to just wait for setup to present itself. What to short on gold? Like, nothing to short. Don't chase the price when you clearly can see you don't have entry point for this. Like, right now, nothing to trade. Absolutely nothing to trade. On NQ, I see nothing on the EMA chart. I would say silver is bullish, but on gold, we're still inside consolidation. What to trade there? I'm not sure what you want to trade there. Going to sit on gold and wait for setup. Guys, once again, while we're waiting for trade on gold, highly recommend to join Ninja Trader Arena Cup. So it's going to be 3 rounds. Each round is going to have prize. This means first place will win 8K, second place will win 2K, third place will win 1K. Then another round with same prizes and another round with same prizes. 10% best traders from each round will take round 4. It's going to be a final round, where winner is going to win 100K cash, second place 25K, and third place 10K. So limited spots, it's free to enter. Ninja Trader will provide all data for you guys. You don't need to buy anything, just click pinned message in the chat and sign up right now, please, if you would like to participate, because limited spots. If you would like to join, please do this right now. And I'm going to compete it with you guys as well. We have option to trade micro ES, micro NQ, micro gold, micro CL, Euro futures. So I'm going to stream my trades because I need to stream my trades. I don't recommend to copy them because, come on, it's a sim environment. So just try to practice your knowledge, what you know about trading and so on. Be smart. Right now, nothing is going on gold. We just trace back to the range. That's pretty much it. It's SMT. So, okay, for SMT, with, for gold, I use this too. You don't need to pay anything to join at all. Free. $0. 0 cents. It's free to enter. I didn't buy anything just yet. I'm sitting flat. I will show you guys on my project X once I'm in trade. Yeah, guys, competition will start October 20th, but limited spots. So you can sign up since this morning. And lots of people wish to participate in this. So just please reserve your seat. Why it's so cheap? Because gold to the moon. We have equal highs at 71.6. As you can see, maybe gold wants to take them, I know. It's just chopped right now, so nothing I like and nothing too worse to try. Nothing worse to try just yet. Do you trade ES? I trade ES every PM session on TradingView TV. I highlight my trade ideas, I trade as well. So for example, we discussed on Friday setups for short. Lots of people took this trade. I trade ES, guys. I'm not fun to trade in Q recently. Yeah, Pretty much yes. At trading on my Project X account, so Project X is for streams only. Yeah, that's just water, guys. Nothing, nothing else. Please, guys, participate in Ninja Trader Arena Cup if you would like to win good prizes, money prizes. As said, limited spots only. Pinned message in the chat to participate. Once again, I'm going to participate as well. I have exactly the same rules as you're going to have. I will do my best. We can trade gold there. I will do my best to trade gold. We already joined. Woohoo! Yeah, I see Euro futures pumping hard on 3-minute chart. You cannot see past one, but I participated 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. We had 5,000 participants, and I was 198. I took on 3 trades, 2 wins and 1 break even. I believe my spot was great for 3 trades only. I would say 2 trades because 1 was break even. 198 across like 5,000 people. I did good, I believe. Proud of myself, proud of myself. London, yeah, we're going there, seems like. It's not scared because of government, unfortunately. For ES and NQ, so once it's going to break basically this level, my black line, and 1 hour candle is going to close there, it's going to short. Gold is okay, I would say. Just as I said, no longs for me as long as above this target area, so I'm just following my rules, nothing else. Front code? What do you mean? Press get started. Enter your email, and that's pretty much it. It should not ask you for code or something like this. Yeah, I want to see long from this area, as I said before. It's okay. I mean, it's okay. I don't really care about this. I just follow my rules. No complaints, you know. I'm fine. Well, we swept this. Basically, we have SMT right now between between ES and NQ. Never mind, gold. I'm actually, once again, I'm fine to trade ES and gold, not NQ. So we're gonna see where we can go at this point. Lots of people want to see lower. I'm totally fine with this, but my move lower possible if our candle is going to close below 128. It will offer a shift in structure to downside. Oh, it's okay. 1M, that's totally fine. So don't worry about this. It's Monday. Take it easy. Also, I'm not in a rush to take any trades. I'm still flat. Just to 3-minute fair value gap on both yes and Q so far. And price trying to respect this. Once again, we have SMT between yes and Q swept hourly low but never closed. I mean, we're going to find out in 12 minutes. I would say structure still at this point remains a bit more bullish. But overall, I expect to get big trap if hourly candle is going to close below 128 and below 67.70 on ES. So it should offer some solid shorts for us. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's see. So far, I would say ES still inside consolidation. We got move from premium to discount, from discount to premium. NQ at this point looks a bit more interesting in ES as well. So maybe I'm going to stay with ES and NQ. We will see. Yeah, we will see. You still divorced with NQ? Yes, I will be interested in yes, probably. So as I said before, we're still trying to respect fair value gap over here and over here on ES. I would say same analysis. But honestly, if I want to short this, I will wait for 10 a.m. and 3-minute OB right after this. So it may close below 128, which validates short idea for me on both ES and Q, and I will be bearish at this point. Just no rush right now. Let's see. So if our candle is going to close below 128, it should be short all the way down to 25K or so. I will look for short at this point. Yeah, that's the plan. Right now, I often really like to trade here on ES, on NQ, on gold. I'm going to trade ES, not NQ. I'm not friends with NQ anymore. All right, guys. Good reaction from this fair value gap, but that's pretty much it. Let me, by the way, like this is going to be easier to see. Gold still doing nothing. As you can see, we just retrace back to this range. We have equal highs higher, London high higher. On NQ, yes, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. To trade silver bullet, and at this point I will trade continuation. That's the plan. Six minutes left. I mean, some people don't like to trade in Q, and I see nothing wrong with this. Cannot say like it's bad or not. Just nothing wrong with this. Gold trade inside consolidation. Once again, we got move from premium to discount, from discount to premium. So far, we got move to premium, and that's pretty much it. We didn't take equal highs on gold. We didn't take London high. We're trading inside the range. Yes, at this point looks a bit more bearish if I want to compare this with NQ. Once again, I see ES a bit more bearish if I want NQ a bit more bullish. Gold, I still see this as consolidation. As you can see, move from premium to discount, from discount to premium. Right now, we got deep premium, and that's it. Absolutely nothing that worth to try here. Just yet. I got perfect trade in Asia kill zone, sitting with 1 million trade only so far. Makes sense, wait for 10 a.m. to trade something on gold, yes, and NQ. YM, I don't really watch YM, to be honest. I wouldn't say so, like not really. I just want to tell you guys this target area still remains my target area, nothing changed. And as I said, I don't want to long above this area. That's my rule here. I'm going to wait for target area to trade into, and then I will see what I can do with this. This means I'm totally fine to miss some longs here. Maybe it will offer some setups for me during PM session. Maybe Asia, since I don't trade. During not PM, during lunch. Since I don't trade PM session, so I'm going to skip this session. I will try Asia. A bit slow, so... NQ stuck inside consolidation already. Alright. Could be better, but it is what it is. I'm still flat, guys. To 4K, like today. We're gonna see. I mean, once again, totally possible. I ideally want to see long from target area all the way up to maybe 4K. Drinking daylight. Yeah, I don't have any other choice, unfortunately. Let's do giveaway. Maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. So because I did not prepare anything for giveaway today. Gold still, I mean, NQ still nothing here, like garbage. How many subscribers? Let's see, guys. Let's see, because once I hit 30,000 people, it's going to be week of giveaways, big giveaways, TradeZella, FX Replay, Take Profit Trader, Tradify. Guys, let's hit subscribe, please. Once we hit like 70 more people, guys, need to get 30K. So we are going to do week of giveaways. So let's do this. Oops. Like this move up on NQ because once again NQ looked a bit more bullish comparing with ES. Gold still inside consolidation, approaching. It took long. Okay, like look at ES. It's a bit more bearish. NQ a bit more bullish. I would say it's tricky. So gold at least took equal highs and approaching London high. At least something is going on there. I guess we got news at 10 or something because we got some volatility as I can see. No, I don't want to short from equal highs. I need really like structure for this first. Look at the ES still dropping. And Q kind of stuck inside consolidation. So I would say not in sync right now. But I'm waiting for the trade after 10, so it's already a good time. Let's see if we are going to get setups here to trade something. Still flat, guys. Nothing is going on. I see lots of volatility right now. Yeah, it's a good idea. Just maybe try to trade evaluation or something, guys, because price action is like could be better, could be better. Really, my long idea was from here, also up here, but it's okay. Interesting, at the same point, like, silver doesn't really want to go hard, like, move higher, offer hard move higher, right? So it's just nothing interesting here. So nothing here, guys, for me at all. Like, I'm happy, like, I'm staying away from this price action so far. I wouldn't say it's like worth it to try something here. I just feel like NQ looks a bit more bullish comparing with ES, which means it's not in sync at all. As said before, I will be bearish on NQ only at one point, if our Replikanto is going to close below 128. I still will wait for this structure. Yeah, I see. My idea still remains pretty much the same. Shorts. All right. Shorts only possible below 128, otherwise it just continue going higher, where our initial idea is still valid. To get... Where's my... Remember, guys, on Friday we highlighted... Yeah, it's over here. Remember on Friday what we highlighted, guys? We talk about setup on Friday. Remember this? See how it's playing out so far? We highlighted this before 11 AM. That we want to see short, also we down to early fair value gaps and longs. Yeah, I just trying to say ES looks a bit more bearish comparing to NQ, because NQ, in my opinion, looks way more bullish. So at this point, hard for me to decide the bias, because like I don't want to see higher on NQ, but at the same time, kind of don't mind to see lower on ES. So I will just stay away probably. You long so 4K? Good job. I'm not long. I'm just flat. Completely flat. As you can see, how can I actually show you this? No trades here. No trades here. Only one trade taken during Asia, and that's pretty much it, guys. I'm okay with this, like. Confused here. I mean, yeah, a bit confusing right now for me. Well, on gold, as I said before, I don't want to see the structure to downside to take target area. And you know what? Where is the problem at this point? We got move up here. So basically we took consolidation high. And original idea was we're going to this target area. I would say reversal area, target area, call this whatever you like. And then we're going to get longs from there. In reality, what happened? Maybe it's bad to say this, but I believe we got a reversal from nowhere. Maybe I'm blind, I know. But over here, it was from nowhere. From the bottom, I would say from discount of consolidation. That's pretty much it. No, thank you. I mean, once again, I'm just trying to follow the rules according to the model. I mean, yeah, we chose the 15-minute fair value gap. It was VWAP. Okay. But overall, guys, here's 15-minute chart for you. See? Nothing. Nothing that I can like on gold to trade long here. And according to videos I shared, guys, it's okay, guys. You cannot catch every single move. But what you need to do is just follow your model, your rules. I did good, I believe. Like, no complaints. When I see A plus setups, I take it. When I see price moving from top of consolidation to bottom of consolidation, I will stay away. Like, nothing wrong with this. It was inside consolidation once again. We expect this fair value gap 6 times. It's a better idea for me to stay away. If it wants to pump to 4K today, that's okay, great. Just not going to take it. Or I'm going to wait for a new sweep for me to enter the trade, and I will try this. For example, as the action 15-minute fair value gap, it's going to offer potential sweep. Why not short? We're short. At all-time high. Like, best idea when we trade at all-time highs, look for longs. Yeah, model cannot catch every single move, which is, once again, totally fine, I would say. No complaints about this. Look at this garbage on NQ. Once again, ES still a bit more bearish to me. And as I said, shorts on ES wallet below 67.70. It's 5-minute chart, alright. It's 10 a.m. Okay, where is 10 a.m.? Oh, I see. I was like, where's my 30-minute candles? Now it makes lots of sense. Because simply I didn't have them on my chart. So we got the closure below 67.70. So let's see where price can go. It can actually fill the gap first. At 67.63. Then if it's not going to offer any reaction, should drop all the way down to 67.50. Bit hot here. Guys, highly recommend to join NinjaTrader Arena Cup. Once again, all rules on your screen, limited spots, just click link and just go to pinned message and click the link, please. Sign up for free. NinjaTrader will provide all data for free to you guys. Just participate if you would like to try to win 8K at least. But if you're going to win round 1, or going to be 10% of top traders in this round 1, you will be able to join round 4. It's going to be a final round, where winner is going to win 100K cash. In the competition, NinjaTrader, guys, NinjaTrader, free to join. You're going to trade sim environment there. So 67.63 on ES is bottom of new week opening gap. It's new week opening gap, right? We filled 75% of this gap so far. We can trade continuation, but here's no, I mean, like, continuation over here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we can trade continuation here, over here. Once again, we got order block as continuation of this 30-minute sweep, but only the problem, once again, nothing wrong with this, but the problem is where they took all-time high. Can we get retracement? Absolutely we can. Like, consider this idea, I need to long here with stop loss below the swing low, and I need to aim for 2R, which is probably lined up with 4K. But once again, the only problem with this long here, where they took like top of consolidation, London high, all-time high taken. I mean, I cannot say over here we got like A plus entry. A plus. This is what I'm talking about right now. It's Monday, guys. Take it easy. So yeah, basically just imminent order block. Oh, wait a minute. After 10, yes. Yes, but once again, I will not touch this. It's too high for me. Maybe I will enter displacement if it's going to offer displacement. And I will put my stop at 50% of this order block. But right now, I mean, nothing to check. Obviously, higher frame is bullish. Like, no questions about this. But for me personally, once again, I can be totally wrong with this. We reversed him from nowhere. Like, really from nowhere. Because Monday, it's Monday. Like, we have like 4 more days to trade. Weekly profile is about to, like, just started forming. Like, once again, no rush here. Take any trades. Really? I mean, of course, you can try to find like million speedy rays for this to find explanation, but yeah, you got my point. I can find something in 1 second chart and say, oh, of course, you expected 1 second fair value gap. How I didn't see this? Guys, no, look, you don't need to try to make 8K to win. No, if you're going to be first, if you're going to take first place, you're going to win 8K cash. So you just need to make as much as possible. That's it. It's 1 day competition. We're going to have 3 rounds. Like 1 day, round 1, second. In 1 week, we are going to have round 2. And in 1 week, we are going to have round 3. First place is going to win money. But also between 4th place and 400, you're going to win $100. So we will do our best to participate. I will do my best as well, but once again, I don't have tasks to win because I know like lots of traders are going to just trade all day. I cannot do this, but guys, once again, I'm going to stream all my trades. If I see setup, I will try this and so on. Let's see. It's sim environment, guys. Go to practice what you learned. Go to practice your model, train your eyes. Once again, sim environment, you risk absolutely nothing. Just enjoy this day. We are going to trade together. We are going to have so much fun. If you would like to participate, pinned message in the chat, just sign up, and that's it, guys. We are going to kill this together. I signed up this morning personally to participate in this perfect challenge. How many spots there? Total 10K, but for now, already taken almost 2K. And just on the first day of promotion, guys. Totally possible to get 10K today. Just please do this as soon as possible. Feel the sign up right now. It's free to enter. NinjaTrader will provide all data for you guys. Are you in trade? Nothing to trade. I am flat right now. Flat. Nope. You're going to trade sim environment. You're going to have 25K initial balance, up to 10 micros, NQ, micro NQ, micro ES, micro gold, micro CL, and Euro futures. Trade what you like. You can execute 2 instruments or the instrument at the same time. Like no daily loss limit or something like this. Like no rules. Just try to win. That's only rule is that you need to follow, right? Do your best, guys, and I wish you good luck. I wish good luck to myself as well. Before I signed up for this giveaway, I conducted Ninja Trade and I said, like, please tell me we can trade gold there, please. And they said, yes, we are going to trade gold there. I was like, woohoo! We can trade gold there. Up to 10 micros, so you can just enter and hold all day if you want. You can scalp all day. I'm not best scalper, so I'm going to just look for setups. All day it's going to be on gold, and NQ, on ES, and Q. I said NQ, never mind. On ES and gold. Yeah. Market is choppy so far. As said before, NQ looks bullish to me. I can be wrong, but I don't want to short NQ as long as hourly candle staying above 128. We can swing. Actually, you can in the regular Adina competition, but it's going to be 1 day competition. So it will start at 8 a.m. and will end at 4 p.m. So you can just enter at 8 a.m. and hold until 4 p.m. Can I use on Mac? Like you're going to have option to trade this on TradeAwait, or it's going to be something similar to TradeAwait. I believe you can trade on your Mac. You don't need to download NinjaTrader app because you have two options to trade desktop application or a web browser, which is going to be TradeAwait or something similar to TradeAwait. Guys, once again, I'm going to live stream my trades. Yeah, it's great. So let's do our best to win, to practice our knowledge, what we learned. Once again, if you don't want to download NinjaTrader app, all you can do is just trade on your browser. It's going to be something similar to TradeAwait, once again. And you can trade this on your Mac. This is what I did last NinjaTrader Arena challenge. I traded on my laptop from TradeAwait app. It will give you options. So once you click join competition and it's going to be October 20th, it will ask you want a desktop version or web browser or something like this. You can pick web browser and you can try to trade this on your laptop. Not can try, you will try on your laptop. Trade this on your laptop. Yeah, I mean, overall on NQ, I would like to see something like this. We highlighted this long setup on Friday morning. Once again, I see picture. I know why. I see picture a bit better on high time frame than on lower time frame. Just structure still looks a bit more bullish. I didn't feel the gap on ES, left like 25% of this gap. You cannot join. What message you can see once you're trying to log in? Like it's restricted country? Well, not worth to watch this chart. That's strange. Well, guys, right now nothing is going on. I'm still sitting flat, completely flat. This morning, all I took just one trade during during Asia yesterday, and that's it. Executions shared on X page. And so far, I'm flat, like overall flat. Guys, any trades today for you? Did you short NQ, ES, or you longed gold? Because I really want to see longs. Once again, I cannot say I miss this long because I still believe, like, even in hindsight, I would never ever took this trade. because it could be just 1 hour and that's it. I really want to see something like this. My initial plan was there. And once again, I don't feel like I missed the long here. I believe I did well, honestly. Let me rename, like not target area, like reversal area. Easier to understand what I want to see. You long, I mean, once again, that's okay. Models that trade on gold not going to present it every single day, like at least 4 or 5 times is going to be here. But for today, yes, we got potential sweep, which was confirmed by 3-minute order block, but main rule is high time frame level, and high time frame level was lower, I believe. Look for shorts on NQ. All right. It's just kind of garbage price action so far, but it's okay. Once again, I steam PM session as well, and I don't know why, because honestly, I never thought I'm going to talk about this ever in my life, but ES offers great setups in PM session. Always like 4 or 5 points risk. You can trade with 5 micros risking like $125, and you can make like 3-5 R. So I trade Project X on TradingView TV because I actually discussed every single day trades that I would like to see. I discussed where I would like to short, where I would like to long. We discussed this short on stream on Friday, and it played out. I explained why it should play out, why my bias is lower. They have free Discord, guys. I'm going to add link soon. I'm going to make free room for everyone to join, so you can ask questions there, post your charts, we can discuss something and so on. So yeah, I will open one room maybe this week, so we can discuss, like, I mean, I will announce everything. Of course it's going to be free. In Discord. Okay. How I'm going to do this, probably I'm just going to share chats where I discuss I would like to short from here. I cannot say like probably I'm short right now, but I will show like trades that I'm looking for, like showing like I will look for short from here with stop loss above the swing high, for example, and target is going to be this level, for example. It's going to be something like this. Not every day, but doing pre-market, yes. Nothing is going on. Okay, we have low resistance to downside so far on NQ. Let's see if this low resistance is going to be broken. Maybe not that low, but something. Yeah, it's like I'm looking for short, here, because we hit this level and I would like to do this. Stop loss is going to be probably above this level, target is going to be here because. How many trades, including losses, I took, including break-evens? Let me count. 35 trades taken in September. Total. Not going to multiply by amount of accounts, just total 35 trades. Including break-evens, losses, and wins. Yeah, pretty much every day. Not every day, but most of the time I traded Asia. Giveaway today, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. Oh yeah, lots of setups, yeah. Yeah, I wasn't able to trade, I guess, 3 or 5 days Asia. But yeah, Asia was good and pretty much clean. Once again, we have a trend line, which NQ trying to respect ES. What level? Okay, ES hit 75% of new week opening gap. Let's check SPX real quick to see what is going on there. Same here, we feel 75% price trying to respect this level. It offered timid OB, which validates longs on SPX. This means on ES as well. But in Q, like, it's not in sync all day today. When did you start trading ICT Concept? It was June 2022. You know, when I'm saying like it was June 2022, I really think like right now is June or July, not like October. Yeah, see you on TradingView TV. What day? No idea. What's up with government shutdown? I believe they posted news that it's going to, I can be wrong, like 3 weeks? It was on Friday when we got nice sell off. Guys, who can tell me about shutdown? I remember we had some news, but I obviously didn't read them. Cannot say for sure. It says White House will provide updates on government shutdown 2025 today at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So we are going to find out at 1 p.m. today then. So Asia session sweeps exactly the same idea as I trade pre-market and so on, but new video is going to be about order blocks, guys. How to trade order blocks and so on. Still waiting for trade, guys. Nothing is going on so far on gold, just like ugly consolidation. And guys, once again, I truly believe we inside consolidation still. See this? If I'm going to change candlesticks to just like, I don't know, like lines, it's still consolidation. And it's lower time frame consolidation, which makes this very hard to trade. Yeah, thank you for sharing with us. Not sure I can edit your name, Namdi. 0.0 or O. I wouldn't touch gold right now. So I will be, once again, I'm totally fine to wait a bit more, but I will be bearish on NQ if hourly candle. This means current hourly candle is going to close below 128.50. It's short for me. To drop to a weekly open 25k, which is not coincident, by the way. Look at this weekly open right at 25k, that's psychological level, and then monthly open at 843. If it's sell, take it. It's not sell for me just yet. Market is it? Well, I took no zero trades today during pre-market and AM session because I would say structure overall seems a bit tricky to me, because when I see NQ is bearish, ES is bullish, or ES is bearish, NQ is bullish. So just lots of questions. But yeah, once again, if you see a sell off right now, like I'm coming sell off, take it. I just said I will look for a short below this level. Just not for me yet. But the target. Once sell off is going to be confirmed, weekly open 25k and 67.63 on ES. Look at gold going higher. Where is 2R? Like at 90, if not mistaken, right? It was at 90, if I remember correctly. At 90. Yeah, it's only like 20 points away from 4k, and honestly I expect to get 4k by the end of this month, but in reality we got this like second week, right? It's okay, 25 minutes left on this hourly candle. We got some sort of news, I believe, because look at this gold move up here. So we have 2 key levels at 90. And at 4k. Let's see when we can take this levels. So I'm not going to trade in Q, I'm going to trade ES if I see setup. I'm not trading in Q anymore. So if I want to start ICT, learn ICT from the very beginning, it's going to be, let me send you a link to playlists. It's going to be this one. You're welcome. Guys, I'm still flat on today, like I took nothing. Today, I hope PM session is going to offer some trades for me on ES. But it's definitely not in sync right now. Here's New York midnight open. Interesting, it's really like not in sync all day today. Look where is NQ and where is ES right now. ES is trading below New York midnight open while NQ is way above this level. So at this point, maybe it makes sense to offer a retracement down to 0.89, which is New York Midnight Open. But once again, I don't expect to get a lot right now. We're still inside consolidation. ES looks a bit more bullish comparing with NQ. Like, they changed positions. Before this, ES was bearish and Q was bullish. NQ took too much mental. Exactly right. So that's why I'm not in rush. It's only Monday. You know, I'm going to my payouts right now, like from different prop firms. I don't want to chase the price. I want to lock payouts and that's it. I haven't put like notes on my desk right now. Like, I'm going to trade on the A+ setups to get payout. And today I didn't see A+ setups at all. You know, I have a goal to make payout from 3 funding ticks, from 3 Tradify, and 20 Apex accounts next couple of weeks. With Apex, I need to make like 4K. I'm close to this, so I would like to get like 2K from each account. So I'm slowly going for payout. With Take Profit Trader daily payouts, I'm not going to count them. Just going to count like bigger prop firms. Consistency rule is getting better. It's 30% right now. For funding ticks, it needs to be 25, but I believe I'm going to improve this week. Yeah, it's 35% right now, which is really good. Like, slowly going for this. It's only rules that I cannot follow right now. That's why I cannot make payout with them yet. It's okay. It says, yeah. 35% here and 30%. Why it's different? Like, also don't know. Like, 30% here, 35% here. What? What? Yeah, it's different everywhere. I don't know why. What is my profit factor? It's like... It's okay. It's lagging a little bit. Okay. My profit factor is 3.7 on my not 3.7, 3.47. Doing good overall on my accounts. Let's see, once again, since ES trading below New York Midnight Open, NQ trading above this level, makes sense to offer the test of New York Midnight Open and NQ as well. NQ seems market maker sell model. Yes, it is. It is what it is. Right now, it looks definitely a bit more bearish. To aim for 0.89 level. So next level on gold is 39.90, which is going to be 2R based on this long setup that we highlighted before. And final target is going to be 4K, which is psychological institutional level. What do you use to journal your trades? By the way, we have two platforms to journal. I have two platforms to journal this. First, TradeZella, which is like good platform to journal. But another one, Tradify. Tradify dashboard is brilliant to journal your trades, to track your performance. So I journal my Tradify trades there on Tradify dashboard. I was bullish on gold as well, just really wants to see long from here, but it's okay once again. We got continuation stop here, which was right at all-time high, but once again 2R is going to be at 39.90. So yeah, once you get, for example, Tradify account, you'll be able to journal your trades, track your performance, you will have perfect dashboard for everything there. It's called good, like no complaints, come on, I already made my money in Asia, and I know if I see like right now price inside consolidation, I don't see like model here, I'm not going to trade this. It's only Monday, once again, no complaints. I will trade PM session today on Steam as well, so maybe it will offer a bit better structure. Inversion very well given in Q failed. Don't trade in Q. I will keep saying this over and over and over again. How much Tradify? Right now, 30% off. Let me see. You can get evaluation with no activation fee. I believe it's not going to be expensive. Let me log in. Add account. Let's see. It's going to be $97. Which is not expensive because you're not going to have activation fee. With 30% off. Guys, if you just joined, please participate in Ninja Trader Arena Cup. So it's going to be real money prizes. Free to enter. Sim environment. We are going to have 3 rounds, and the final round is going to be amazing prize for everyone, for most of us traders. So for example, if you're going first 10% top 10% traders from round 1 is going to be participate in round 4. It's going to be final round. If you're going to take first place in round 1, you're going to win 8K. If you're going to take first place in round 2, you're going to win 8K. If you're going to take first place in round 3, you're going to win 8K. But if you're going to win final round, you will be able to win 100K cash. See pinned message in the chat to participate in this free challenge, free cup. So yeah, Ninja Trader will provide all data for you guys for free. You don't need to worry about this. Join right now, because guys, limited spots only. So please do this as soon as possible if you want to try to participate. I'm going to participate. I'm going to live stream my trades. But yeah. And Q left a scar. I mean, perception looks bad, really. Can you trade gold with Epics? Yes, you can. This is how I trade Epics, and I'm going to switch to my payout on my new fund accounts. On PM session, I'm going to be at 12:30 PM there. I'm going to stream at this channel. Give me 1 second. I'm going to share the link to you guys. 12:30 PM. All right, let's see. We have some SMT, but once again, it's very important for me. I'm going to repeat this over and over again. I will be bearish on NQ only if, let me delete this line, hourly candle is going to close below 128.50. So like 12 minutes left. And at this point, if it's going to close, it will offer shift in structure. I will be bearish. Can you trade during, of course, you can trade during PM, during pre-market, during London, during Asia, during New York session, on Apex Gold. Absolutely, yes. If you want to learn how to use NinjaTrader, here is the video, guys. I shared my layout. I explained everything, why I use this, and so on. You can just create exactly the same layout as I have on NinjaTrader. Here's the video, guys. Each step explained, as well as explained how to use ATM strategy, how to create ATM strategy so you can, it's going to trail your stop loss, it's going to move at break even. So yeah, I hope it's going to be helpful. Watch this video, guys. So by the end, you're going to have exactly the same layout. Do you eat at 12? Not always. I didn't eat my breakfast today as well. I just don't feel well, like I don't want to eat at all. Just water, and that's enough for me. How to understand news? No, I don't have it. Back on ES and NQ, I'm going to wait right now since 10 a.m. candle closed above swing low on NQ. I'm going to wait for 11. I don't feel well, honestly, today to eat something. I don't know why. Spring water. Yes. Yes, NQ approaching the 50-minute fair value gap as well as New York midnight open. Good morning, good morning. You're not I don't see your comments. Like you, let me see. Will you live Asia today for gold? No, I'm not going to be live today. That was your question? I'm so sorry, I just saw that. Are you trying to be a model, working out and not eating? It's impossible, by the way. Yeah, I hope, guys, I'm going to trade PM session as well. Since right now market is just, could be better. So I will see how 11 a.m. Is going to react. Where is hourly candle is going to close. And I will see if I'm going to continue steaming AM session or I'm just going to take a break and steam PM session. Let's see, let's wait for 11. But yeah, quite boring price action. Explain, yeah. Oh, yeah, of course, of course. Guys, while we are waiting, let's discuss the trade that I took during Asia, because it was like good money trade. I made a bit more than 2K yesterday. Let's discuss this. Idea pretty much straightforward. And on Friday, guys, on Friday we discussed that we want to see longs from, you can reverse steam, but we want to see longs from this area, 38.92, and I was bullish. And remember, like we were waiting for long setup, but it was just chop and really wants to see like all-time high. Our target was previous day high level, all-time high, and on Sunday it was previous week high level. All right. So what happened on at 4:30 p.m. over here? So we got potential sweep, right? This potential sweep, of course, was confirmed by a 3-minute order block. But it's up to you if you want to swing this. Of course, you can enter trade here. You can aim for previous week high level. Just wait for this setup and that's it. Or be like me. I was like, okay. I will try to trade continuation on Sunday. I had solid plan at Sunday before even Sunday like started. I was like, if it's going to be continuation, it should offer down close candles. Exactly what we got at 6 p.m. And then I was like, next I'm going to wait for order block to form. And yes, order block formed here. Of course, I miss this because I was like, it's not going to be like so fast. I had to enter here. I had to enter here to aim for 2R. You can take partial at previous week high level. Of course, I miss this. And I was like, really? And then it created another order block for me. And I was like, okay, I'm going to try this with 5 points risk to make 10. Actually, I entered a bit lower. I made 11 points. So we got the closure above, not sequence, just one single down close candle. Entry at the open of next candle. I entered slightly lower. My stop loss was swing low and I was aiming for 2R. Ideally, of course, I had to enter here, but in order to trade continuation, we need to wait for a new 30-minute candle and order block right after this. Where's my executions to show you? And here's my trade. As you can see, I entered why it looks so... Oh, okay, I entered not here. I entered here. And I was aiming for 2R. As you can see, I closed for 11 points. My stop loss was swing low and 2R. Pretty much straightforward idea here. I miss this trade, unfortunately. Happens. So... it's only one trade that I took today, nothing else. Right now I've been inside garbage consolidation. So we're waiting for 11, guys. Right now, I highly recommend to join Ninja Trader Arena Cup while we're waiting for 11. Because limited spots only, guys. You want to be first to participate. I'm going to participate, yes. I'm going to live stream my trades as well. How to see me and TradingView live? I'm going to send link. I trade, guys, I trade not gold there. I trade ES there. All right. 3 minutes left. Which time you get trade on gold most of the time? I would say like most of the time I trade around like 8 p.m. or 8:30 a.m. What you use time frame in your candles? Oh, 30-minute and hourly. ICT Hatter from Candles by Fadi. It's free indicator, guys. Going to come back in a moment, guys. Waiting for 11. 1 second. All right. What did I miss? I think nothing. So once again, gold still below 39.90 and 4,000 level. Please open. Which time most likely start? Oh, I have video about this. You can just go on my YouTube and watch last video about model. So ideally, I want to make $500 a day. Like ideally, it's my base hit, but since most of the time I risk $300 per trade, 600 is like 2 hour. But I calculated this based on 1.5 hour. Like $500 is base hit. I want to make $5,000, not 5,000 yet, $500 per account. And I'm going to copy this account. Sometimes it's going to be like 10 points risk. So at this point, I'm going to trade like 4 micros or 3 micros. Sometimes it's going to be 2 points risk. I can trade bigger size, like 1 mini contract or 2 mini contracts. So no, you're going to, for competition, so you're going to try to make as much as you can. If you're going to be first on leaderboard or second or third, you're going to win real money. First place will be in 8K, second place will be in 2K, and third place will be in 1K. Copy account? No, not at all. I just don't look at this. You just need to consider this as you trading just one account. If it's like makes you nervous, just close your copier. Like don't look at this. Imagine you're trading just one single account. Yes, same. For example, when I trade Apex accounts, Dvonia accounts at the same time, I don't even look at my Replikanto. I just watching just my charts, these executions. Where are you with your Apex fund? Since it's new accounts, I blew my 20 Apex accounts. It was second half of August, I believe. I have new accounts, so I'm going to for my first payout there. I took 3 trades there only so far. Going to my first payout on my new 20 account, Apex accounts. So I would not copy. I mean, I have video about this, how I use copier. What rules? Okay, with trading drawdown, it's hard with Epic. That's why I don't recommend to risk a lot per trade, and don't try to trade big size. So on my Epic accounts right now, don't trade more than 5 micros. This means I will be fine always. Don't trade big size when you're still inside drawdown window. Trading drawdown window. How did you handle blow up? I mean, I was totally fine with this. I wasn't sad about this. It just was part of the game, and I didn't lose my accounts for one day. I just was red almost every day. That's why account gone. They use unrealized profit. Yes. Can we see track there? I mean, like, I'm trading prop firms. What do you want to see there? Payout certificates? What you want to see? I mean, by the way, I shared my payouts. Oh yeah, I trade my account. But yeah, I mean, like, what is going to change? I trade Asia on my account most of the time. But yeah, what you want to see there? Like 1 month's performance? But what this means? I don't trade this account for more than 1 year. Of course, I can show you 1 month's performance, but it will change nothing. Because 1 month's performance means nothing, in my opinion. Like, if it's like 1 year, it's okay to show this, like, yeah, consistencies here, blah, blah, blah. But 1 month, I mean, if it's going to change something, for you, which is probably not. Of course, we can talk about this. Alright, it's 11, guys. You got new hourly candle. So I said we are going to do live backtest session during the week. Yeah, I know, but I don't have 1 year performance yet to show you, to share this with you. This is what I'm talking about right now. Like, I mean, I can show you a couple of months, but once again, it means nothing, right? What's the point of showing this? One year performance means a lot, but I don't have 1 year data to show you. So next week, maybe this week, you know? Then come on. It's okay, she just asking. It's okay to ask. I don't see the problem here at all, honestly. It's good questions. He's not hating, he's just asking. What do you see on gold? Nothing, honestly. I took nothing today at all. Do you give up on gold? Oh, it's okay. Gold is doing good. I would say it wasn't really bad today. What I'm trying to say, it wasn't like obvious long here, in my opinion. I'm overall bullish on NQ. I explained this on Friday, and we highlighted this setup on Friday as well. So overall, when we're trading at all-time highs, hard to be bearish. Like, we really need to get like strong news, like bad news. But honestly, when we have bad news, market is going up. We need to get something really, really, really bad. So a market is going at this point is going to drop. Nothing. We have nothing to say like, we entered like bearish months. Like seasonal like consider seasons, right? Like when we expected to get the drop according to like 20 years data, 15 years data, 30 years data, it didn't work this year at all. I never seen that before. And at this point, US government shutdown, market at this point pumped a lot and we took new all-time high. So seems like market does not care about this anymore. And really, I don't know what kind of news we need to get to anticipate like a big drop, honestly. Oh, they gave you $100. No, you cannot take money. It's just for you to trade your personal account. They gave me this as well. Unrealized, yeah. The preferred trader has unrealized trading drawdown, so try to take partials, which is probably right decision. Partials pays a lot. And try to trail your stop loss to break even once we hit 1.5 R. Don't trade big size, so 5 micros is not going to hurt your account at all. So be smart. Oops. Trading drawdown, let me see. We have trading drawdown on PA funded account with Take Profit Trader as well as Apex account, right? So yeah, just need to use to trade this kind of account. And Q-Trade, no guys, we discussed this setup and this setup happened on Friday. I didn't swing this at all. No guys, I didn't take any trades today at all. How much you... Yeah, that's basically great. Yeah, just one trade, 5 micros. And you need to understand your risk. How much you ready to risk per trade. Not like today I want to risk 700 and tomorrow I will risk 100. No, it's not going to work. You need to understand until you build the buffer how much you want to risk per trade over and over and over again. Let's say you risk per trade, let's say $300, okay? Let's say you lost in this trade. This means, can I trade more? You need to have daily loss limit at this point. Let's say your daily loss limit is $500 per day. So next trade, you cannot risk more than $200, including commission a bit less, like $190. Yeah, I do use 5 micros, guys. I do use, sometimes I trade on my straight to fund account on project is 4 micros, but I have 150K account. Amazing, great, perfect. It's my language. Well, guys, it's 11:11. I'm going to probably be done for this AM session, but guys, I'm going to stream PM session today on TradingView TV where I will trade EOS. My Project X account for trading on streams only. So I'm just slowly trying to build the buffer there. I don't take any trades outside streams on Project X, so only streams trades there. I'm going to stream there in 1 hour. Join me there. Once again, we will trade EOS. We'll try to trade EOS there to get some cool trades. Asia session today, I don't know, guys. It's still hard for me to build the schedule. See you guys there. I sent link in the chat. Sign up for Ninja Trader Arena Cup. Don't make stupid mistakes. And once again, I will see you in 1 hour. Thank you for joining me. We're about to hit 30,000 people on my channel. This means we are going to have a week of giveaways. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we are going to do lots of interesting stuff there. Alright, guys. See you guys in 1 hour. Thank you for watching. See you soon.